Hello everyone, today we are going to add this simple health bar to our system. So it will, when we get it will be updated, as you can see here. Let me show you again. Right, so at the moment I don't have any indication of health. So if I got hit, I simply die. See, so there is no way for the player to perceive the health level of the character. Because of that, we can't really implement a health regeneration system as well, because there is simply no feedback. We should have either a health bar or some other way to communicate the player that health level is reducing. So I don't want to add a simple health bar. But as for the moment, I don't really have a solid plan on how to add health bar. So I just add the simple progress bar so that we can give some feedback, and later on we can improve on that, because we can implement the required functions and implement the necessary interface functions to update the health values with the HUD. Right, so I have the HUD here, HUD blueprint. So here we only have, but this reticle is not used, I think. Yeah, this is because I replaced this with the reticle of the gun blueprint, gun widget. So we only use this show tick function in the HUD for the moment. So yeah, let's add a new widget for health bar. Health bar. Or let's just call it health. Maybe later on I will end up changing this into something else other than a bar. Okay, so here usually the weapon widget comes like this. So on this side I am planning to add the health bar. To get an idea, this one has minus 50, 50 and minus 50 offset from the top bottom left. Let's add the progress bar here first and align it with this gun, then we can copy it here. Let's add progress bar. Okay, set the anchor to bottom left and alignment to position X minus 50. Oh wait, where did I set? And 50. Right, now I'll set 1 as the alignment X and 1 as alignment Y. Minus 50, minus 50. Okay, so it does overlap with the bottom part, that means with these letters. Is it too long? Let me put this closer to the gun just for testing. Right. Right, this level seems fine. That's 50. Okay. Right, so let's set the percentage fill to 0.5. Oh, this is blue. Maybe it should be same as this color and the background should be something else. So let's pick the color of the gun, and now it is not visible. Where is the background color? It should be transparent. Okay, this should be fine, but it should fill from right to left. That would be more appropriate. By default, we should have full health, so it should be like this. Right, now I'll copy this or cut this and put in here. Wait. Properties are not copied. Why is that? Oh, can't undo. What's the color we had here? 0.7 by 0.7 by 0.7. That should be close enough. Okay, and the background. Alright, it's correct. Okay, so let me rename this healthbar. Let's create a function to update the healthbar. Custom event update healthbar. Set percent, and we need to give the percentage. Right, now let's add this widget health to the HUD. So where do we add this one? Tips. It's only when we have to show the tips, but when we have to update the health, we need to have the health widget. So let's create a interface event in BBIUI update health. I think until now I haven't done that, but from now on I should have some naming convention. This is a UI function, so I'm gonna use the HUD function. No, UI is fine. So I'm gonna use this UI underscore whenever I add a function to this interface. So maybe I should update these ones too, but for now I'll leave them. Category is fine, and we need to have a float input %. Now here we can implement UI update health. Why is it inside? All of them are default. Why is this only inside? I'm not sure. Right, let's implement this. So in order to update the percentage, we have to make sure that we do have a health widget. So let's create widget health using health type, and promote this to a variable wdg health get this, check is valid, if not create, otherwise just use it. And then, or should we do this in the begin play? Maybe, because we always need a health bar. Yeah. What about a situation that we don't have a player? Is it possible? I mean, at least a normal player. So yeah, that could be a scenario. So let's leave it like this. Route node, get the health widget, set update health bar, and connect %. Right, now we need to call this in order to update the health bar value in the widget, in the HUD. Oh wait, one more thing, I forgot to add this to viewport. Add to viewport, otherwise this will not show up in the HUD. Right, so just because I have done that, it doesn't show up, see. So next, now we need to go to the player character. Here, so where do we set health Right, this is where we do the damage and set health values. So if I have to update only for the player. I have to update the health bar value when I do any change to the health. So what's the best way to do that? Maybe I thought about this previously as well. Let's create a child blueprint and let's call it ALS player and use this as the character. So since it is a child class, nothing is changed, everything is same, everything should be same. What's the health value we have? 100. Yeah. So when we update health, let's convert this to a function. Update health. Or maybe wait. We can just use the health value here like this, so we don't need an output. The reason I converted this to a what's wrong? Health. What happened here? Let's name this delta. Okay, let me undo it quickly. Right, and copy this, create a new function, update health, and here let's convert this to addition. Name this delta because this is the change that we need to do to the health value. So right now here, let's see if we can use it. Right now it's fine, but the damage value should be negative. So now we give a delta, it should be a negative value. We don't need this too. Right, now it's all fine. So the reason I converted this update health to a function is so that I can override this and add the parts where update the HUD for the player character. So Also we need to call this in the begin play, otherwise the HUD health bar will not show up. So update health with the 0 delta. Still I don't get the health bar because I still haven't called that relevant function in the HUD. Okay, so let's do that. Here, ALS player, and overwrite update health. Here, get parallel controller, get HUD. Oh, we already have a function to get the HUD, so let's use that. Update UI update health and give health value. No, not the health value. We need to give something in between 0 and 1. So health value divided by 100, because at the moment 100 is the maximum health value I have. I didn't get it. Why? Oh, and this doesn't return anything. You can actually override this. Get HUD. Why did I implement this? I don't remember. Oh, this is used in the 𝐂𝐻𝐸𝐽, the previous character I had. It's okay. So get HUD. Here we can get player controller, get HUD and return it. Now this should work. See, now we have the health bar in the right. So let's get it. See, now it is reducing and dead. Okay, so I'm going to stop this episode right here. So next time I am going to work on health regeneration in this topic, and also maybe some screen effects to visualize and clearly communicate to the player that the player is damaged. Maybe like some red hue or something in the screen. And thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available in the Patreon page for the download. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon Club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.